Welcome back. So in this lecture, I want to take some time to summarize where we are today. I know we summarized a few lectures before, but it feels like we've covered a lot of ground. And so let's just resync a little bit and then we go forward with the future lectures. So what we did since the last summary is we talked a lot about building the business case. And then we went on to talk about how important it is to test your assumptions with the customer. And then we came back with an understanding of the competition. We talked about differentiation in competition. And then we talked about how you need to think about going to market. Different aspects, pricing, positioning, and how you want to, third-party arrangements. And then lastly, what we said is, look, now it's time to do the development plan, but then you need two pieces of critical information, product requirements, and then you need the customer expectation or whatever is the expectation that you want to put as far as the target deadline is concerned. And then we pulled those two together, and then in the last lecture we talked about how the development plan can be made better by taking care of a few things ahead of time and not let things go out of control and run yourself into a corner. And so now, with all the ground that we have covered, I think we're ready for a product funding presentation for the NPRB board. Remember, I said way back when that we're going to track all along the new product introduction flow, and then we'll go through the product funding gate so that product development can start. And so what I want to do is talk about what documents you need, what kind of preparation you need to be thinking about for the product funding presentation. This gets us to the market requirements document and also the product requirements document. And whoever has, those of you who have followed the lecture series all the way from the first lecture to here, you will realize that most of what we do in preparing for the MRD and the PRD is really pulling together all the information that we already know into a methodical and a logical and an easy way to understand, document, and presentation. So we will see that in the next lecture, next 2 or 3 lectures, and that will get us started. That will help us go through the product funding gate. Okay, I will see you in the next lecture. Thank you.